Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some TigerTough seat covers for the RAM ProMaster. Let's get into it. All right, what we have here are the black seat covers for the RAM ProMaster. Our model year that we're installing this on is a 2014, but I believe this fits all the ProMasters. I'm not sure. We do make it pretty simple to figure out which seat cover you need. The thing about seats is that they are there's a lot of variations between model years or different features like an armrest or lumbar support and some of those kinds of things. So you want to make sure that you select all the correct options when you purchase these. They are available in black, gray, and tan as well. We'll show you everything that you get here in the box in a moment. Right on top, we do have our installation guide. Shows you how to install it. This is specific for the RAM ProMaster, so you know that it's going to be detailed to give you everything that you need for ProMaster. It's a pretty simple installation. This is part number 72122, and it looks like it does fit the 2015 through the 19, at least when they printed this. I don't know if it fits further years or not. But right here on top, all right, so this looks like we have one of the seat backs, and it is for the driver. There's a label right here. It says driver. It's a seat back. You can tell there's two little cutouts here for your headrests, and there's a little tag on the side here for your airbag. So the nice thing about these seat covers is that they work with factory airbags. They also work with seat heaters and all of that as well. But you can tell there's like this white stitching around the airbag, and basically what happens is if your airbag deploys, it actually tears through that stitching so that you still get to retain the use of your airbag and it doesn't get caught on the seat cover or whatever that is. We do have a nice Velcro backing here for installation, not having to try to tie a knot or anything with this one. Installation is pretty simple. You're going to just slide it over the top of that seat. Again, got a nice label here for the driver. Gonna be pretty similar setup for the passenger side. Next we have here, this is the passenger, and it looks like it's the seat back as well. We've got our two holes up here for this, the headrest, again, our airbag portion right there, our Velcro, our label. There's a hole right here. I'm not sure if this is for lumbar support or for an armrest or what, but we've got a cutout right there, and then on this side there's actually a Velcro, so this might actually be for the armrest because it's kind of hard to fit an armrest through that little hole, and you Velcro right around it. So our seat back for the passenger side, and then our seat bottom here for the driver's side. This just goes on the bottom. This is the part you sit on, and these slide underneath, and then you attach them with Velcro like this, and then they have this little string lock tool for, essentially, there's a string that goes through the front portion and the side of the seat back, and when you pull this tight, it kind of makes it hug that seat bottom nice and tightly so it's not going to shift around and stuff like that. And they give you this nice little tool that makes it really easy to get leverage and get that nice and tight on the seat bottom. So that's a nice thing that is exclusive to TigerTough. And then we have our seat bottom here for the passenger side. Exact same system. We got our little string lock here. Get that nice and tight. And we have our two headrest cover, one for each side. Pretty simple situation here. This is just a Velcro, and it doesn't look like these are side specific, so they must have the same headrest on both sides of the van. This is the, I think they call it their iron weave material. It's a Cordura Denier 1000. I always get that mixed up, exactly the material, but it's kind of like a military grade material. It doesn't feel like a vinyl or anything like that. It just feels like kind of a harder plastic. It almost feels a little bit like your seatbelt material. It's tear-proof, waterproof, spill-proof, whatever you put on here, it's gonna protect the van. For us, we have an older van that's a little bit beat up, so it's also going to improve the aesthetic on the vehicle as well as further protect those seats. Now, Again, everything that you need included here. They're always sold as a set, so you're always going to get the driver's side and the passenger side. So yeah, if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.